Markets mixed after Monday's beatdown.
Oh,
What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Tuesday, February 24th. And markets are starting to sell off a little bit here. They are mixed still, but we're much higher and now coming off after yesterday's beatdown. No surprise that the rally is being sold off. I think the biggest index to watch is the Dow. That is the closest to breaking down. Markets do appear that they're ready to head their way to the downside. Again, we could still hold this support in consolidation, but the Dow is starting to break a little bit below. Earnings have not been great, and of course, we have some news coming this week, including PPI and others, a bunch of Fed speakers. But overall, we do believe that the markets look a little bit weak here and should look to probably break to the downside. We're not going to predict. We're going to just continue to evaluate and give you where we stand and what's going on. In the meantime, markets, as I said, are mixed. The Dow and NASDAQ are higher. The S&P and Russell are lower. The dollar is back towards that 98 level, which we'll be looking to sell when it gets there. The euro currency is lower. We're short. Bonds and notes are mixed. They look like they're trying to make one more charge. We'd be a seller of notes at 114 and bonds at 119. Bitcoin is lower as it heads towards that 60,000 target of ours to become a buyer. Gold is lower after yesterday's big rally. Silver is a little bit higher. Platinum is higher. Again, the metals are really just consolidating. Nothing really to get excited about here yet until they break one way or the other. I would expect they'll break to the upside, but again, we're not going to trade until there's a reason. Copper is a little bit higher, but still below our $6 level. Grain markets are mixed. Yesterday was interesting in the grains. We are long. They were lower, then they popped, and then they broke. In the meantime, they're back a little bit higher this morning. Wheat and soybeans have definitely broken out to the upside. Corn is still in consolidation. The meats continue to be mixed and sloppy and not much to do there. Nat gas is once again below $3. We are long from $3.10. Would look to potentially add here, but we'll let you know tomorrow about that. And of course, crude oil is just above 66, which we are short from 66. So we'll see how it plays out. In the meantime, again, it's really a slow market. Watch the VIX. It's be very careful in here. Nothing too exciting. Nothing really to get crazy about as we look at these markets. In the meantime, remember our sponsors and our brand new Gap Hunter, which you can see behind me. That is our brand new product we just came out with, and it works beautifully. Picking off gaps off the opening in crude, gold, and the S&P and the NASDAQ. It makes a couple of trades a day, so check it out. In the meantime, don't forget Trade Your Brokerage, Capital Trading Group, The Joy of Mom, and of course our high school program. And until tomorrow, have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here with another Bubba's Daily Update.